Today we will be discussing closed loop system, which will help generally to reduce the liquid discharge. So this is primarily for the effluents. What is the difference between effluent and emission? If you are discharging air waste, it is called emission. If you are letting water as waste, it is called effluent. So it depends on air or water. For what purpose they are using this is to achieve economy. Now this is a vision. Still most of the products are not under closed loop system. Now I will give a small example. How do you make products? You need raw materials. You will process in an industry. After processing, the consumer will consume the product. After consuming, it has to be thrown as waste. That waste again has to go into the resource. This is called closed loop. So again and again this looping system has to be followed and make sure that there is no waste which is existing in the environment. Why you need to follow closed loop system? Primarily for economy, secondly for zero discharge and protect the environment. Take a mobile. Is mobile 100% recyclable? Is all the components they are recycling? Currently no. Currently they only recycle metal products, they recycle batteries. Apart from that, they do not recycle the products. Mobile companies has not reached closed loop, and car manufacturing unit, they have not reached the closed loop. Why? Because metals they will take, rubber they will recycle. But what about electronic products? Electronic products majorly still has not reached the closed loop system. So there is a lagging in that. We are using clothes. How much time we can continuously use that cloth? First time we will purchase in a branded showroom. Have you seen Sunday markets? You get products for 50 rupees, 100 rupees, same jeans, same t-shirt will be available. How? Those are all called second branded product, that is recycled product or used refurbished product. That is why you get for kgs. How much quantity of dresses you buy in Diwali will be counted in first brand. Second brand is kg. Whatever you buy, it will be measured in kg. That is called second brand. So have you achieved third cycle, fourth cycle? No. Textile industry have not reached that. So closing loop system is, it has to be infinitely used as resource and it has to recirculate. Currently we are in very long way. We can think that everything is there. Whatever you think, you Google it, it will be already taught by some other people. Now students has to move to next level, that there are still possibilities of innovation. How many ways you can see? Take each and every product, it is not reaching its closing loop. So industries are struggling. Industries will only say that you consume my product is very best. But there is a backside of all industries, that they are very eager in reducing the waste, reducing the cost of product, everything, which they will not at all do any advertisement. They speak in advertisement that it is very cost effective, so you are getting less price and it is a good product. But the other side of market is they are struggling with waste disposal technology. Establishing a closed loop. What are the things comes under closed loop is design, material health of product. We need a raw material that continuously, how many times if you consume, it should not degrade the quality of product. Example, plastic. I have some list of products there. How much ever time if you consume, it will not reduce the raw material quality. So those kind of material is there. Example is plastic. Some plastics are available. You can continuously use for how much of ever time, it will not reduce its property. So energy type and usage. It achieves a total life cycle. Reaching the closed loop system is, they manufacture a product and that becomes, and that is sold into some product and it recycled into a waste. Again that waste has to be some raw material and it has to be processed. This is called closed loop system. Now how many products are here? Jewelry. how much product can be recycled in market. So if you buy a jewelry, you buy it for 5,000 rupees or you buy it for 10,000 rupees. Now you give back the jewelry to the same shop. How much of money you will get back? If you spend 10,000, how much money you will get back when you are giving the same product? Around 95% of the product cost you will get. So assume 1 gram is 10,000. Currently we are in 7,200 per gram, but it will soon reach 1 gram of 1,000 rupees. So if you buy 1 gram of gold, when you resell it, maximum price you will get. So 1 gram you can get it for around 9,500 rupees. But you try for other products. You try for electronic products. You buy some product. If you buy a mobile for 20,000, but when you sell the same mobile, will you get 18,000 back? No, electronic items are like that. If you buy your earphone, the power bank, whatever electronics product you buy, when you resell, you will not get it for the maximum amount. Around 25% it will get reduced. So this is the disadvantage of that. And again, car. You buy a car today for 7 lakh rupees. You resell that same car. Will you get same 7 lakh rupees back? No. Around 1 lakh of rupees will suddenly decrease soon after you buy. You buy that car, immediately 1 lakh rupees will be lost. That is the depreciation. Without some knowledge, we will buy. But soon after you buy, nobody will give the reselling of that product. When you buy sofas for 30,000 rupees, when you resell, how much they will take a sofa? Nobody will take, first of all. No exchange offers. Also mobile phones, 2,500. Have you resold your mobile? 2,500, 3,000. If you are having iPhone only, 8,000. Why iPhone is having a higher resale? Because their products are recyclable. Every component of iPhone is recyclable, hence its exchange value is high. If your exchange value is low, you have to note that your product is non-recyclable. Their technology is required. Who will help on technology? Engineers. Society depends on engineers. If materials are recyclable, it has higher value. As an engineer, we have to think on recycling. Who creates a product? Engineers create product. If engineers created product is not having resale, that is the incapability of an engineer. How a product can be enhanced to the same value. Whatever value we purchase, when we resell, the same value should be there. This comes under the end of use cycle. Material health, take back schemes. This is what I said. What is take back scheme? If you purchase any product, if they are taking back, same amount should be there. Ease of disassembling process. The industry should disassemble easily. Why electronic products are non-recyclable is disassembling is very time consuming effort and difficult task by humans. Then reprocessing, postponement of permanent waste generation. So what we can do is, finally some organizations, after they are effluent, I have some images for that. What they do is, they create some product and effluent comes. Effluent is a discharge. So that effluent, what they do is, they make a deep bury of wells for 2,000 or 3,000 feet below, and they discharge all the waste into the earth. This is what they do. They don't know to manage. If we are letting it in stream, people are making inquiries, and pollution control board making inquiries. What they do is, they dig a bore for 3,000 feet. More than that, they dispose all the effluent into the channel. That is called deep well technology. What happens? Gradually loses the quality of material. Reprocess cannot be returned to the same state. Yes. These things you can just go through, and this is the open loop system. Currently, I will disclose two systems. One is open loop system, closed loop system. Now you understand by this and tell currently we are in which generation, either in open loop or closed loop. Now you look at this image. we are having in nature, we are extracting the raw materials, we make resource, manufacturing product, then we use. After using, it decomposes to 5 components. Scrap parts. What do you mean by scrap parts? Used products which are called scrap parts. So when you want to buy small spare parts for a car, you can go and buy from showroom, or there are scrap parts are available that can be refurbished and that can be used, which will be very less effective. So that you can use and return that product. You can reuse. So when you are reusing, again it comes to an output, further reuse, and it disposes into landfill. Can you see the raw material where it ends? It starts from nature and it ends in the landfill. Again, if you are having a recycle phenomena, reuse is one phenomena, recycle and garbage disposal. Garbage disposal is dumping on the sites. This is the third phenomena, is going into landfill, and again recycle, new product, use, output, garbage disposal. Again we are having this. This phenomena is open loop system. Why it is called open loop? The system starts in nature and it ends in landfill. So next system is called closed loop system. What do you mean by this? From nature we extract the products. After extracting, it becomes a resource, and this resource constantly will be circulating into a biodegradable, non-harmful materials. So if you are making it as a degradable material also called closed loop system. Imagine all vegetable waste, decomposable or not. Imagine you are having a market, you are the owner of supermarket. What waste you have? Vegetable and fruit waste. How you can make it into closed loop system? After some days it will rotten. You can make it as a manure. When you make it as a manure, then you can reuse as fertilizer. This is called closed loop technology. Yes. Return to biodegradable product. This is an example for that. Unwanted products, obsolete product, old. Obsolete is called old. Old products. Old products can be recycled or it can be disposed. Scrap parts, etc. It should not end. It has to go to biodegradable product, and recyclable material has to recycle again as resources. These are the examples. Have you seen magnets? This is an example of magnet. In all electronic or some components, if magnets are available, what they do is they will grate. Have you heard grating? Grating is a phenomena. If you get some parts, they will cut into small pieces. That is called grating. Can you see this? After grating, they will sort. S-O-R-T, sorting. Sorting is termed to be as separating it into magnets. Certain magnets are available, metals are available, plastics are available. These they will separate. Again and again you can use magnet, closed loop technology. This is an example. This is a timberland. This is a company. In United States, large organization is there. What they do is, this is a leather product. Is leather recyclable? Leathers are recyclable. Once you used, you can reuse that and again you can make it as a new product. So what they do is, the timberland, they use recyclable leather and they make this wonderful products for less cost. So this is one of the example. And have you seen this kind of plastic? Distilled water. How many people have an experience of buying distilled water? They will give in this can only. This can is a recyclable can. You can recycle for n number of times. Finite times you can recycle this. So these are the example of closed loop technology. The best way is they will not reach the grave or landfill. This kind of material is cradle to cradle. They will be used again and again. They will not reach the grave, reprocessed and reused. Otherwise, the product can be durable. Do you have any durable product? Will not at all degrade. Have you seen diamonds? Does diamond degrade? No, that is a durable product. It will not decompose or degrade. That is why its value is high. Why diamond is better than gold? Because it will not degrade. If you buy 1 carat of diamond, after 100 years, 200 years also, it will not lose its weight or its shine. That is why it is having a constant rate. It will not reduce its price. If certain prices are decreasing, you have to understand that there should be a technology. Gold, after that the gold. Why does silver loses its value of the product? Silver you buy for 100 rupees per gram. Why? Because silver loses its quality. When you buy a silver, after 2 or 3 years, it will dull. That is why if it degrades, then the product value is lesser. The same price, gold will not reduce its price. If you are buying gold today, after 10 years also you can resell. The 95% of cost you can recover. So the products not only can be closed loop, if it is more durable, these products comes under the recycle one. So closed loop technology indefinitely degradation properties and recyclable properties will be high. Yes.